Hello, my name is Paz Gagrani and I am a student of the Millennium School Dubai. Together with my teammate Shaili Kampani, we have developed an AI-based project which is actually a translator which converts one speech in English into six different languages which are available in both speech and text form.
Hello everyone, I'm Shaili Kampani from the Millennium School Dubai, and today we are going to explain our project, The Speech Later.
In today's globalized world, communication between different people, different cultures, and different countries is growing to be more important day by day. Even though we may all be physically separated because of the pandemic, we are still connected with each other via the internet. And where there is connection, there is communication. And because the different countries and different cultures of the world are connected, it is important that there is a secure and meaningful method of communication between them, and hence translation plays a very important role in the pre-COVID, during the COVID, and post-COVID era. And thus recognizing this importance of translation, our team has decided to build an AI-based project which helps us translate languages and thus effectively communicate between different people and different cultures around the world. The reasons that we have chosen translation to be an important aspect is because it provides many advantages which helps in many daily scenarios on the local and global level. It is important for the growth of multinational companies because there are companies which operate in multiple countries around the world, and hence there becomes a need to share and receive information from different parts of the world in order to stay united and stay connected. Cultural interchange in today's globalized world is also becoming increasingly important, with music, literature, films, and other various art forms previously localized to one culture are now separated between different countries. A nation's external affairs are also dependent on translation because what a country's message is sent to another country needs the importance of accurate and reliable translation because it can have negative effects otherwise. And lastly, one more positive impact of translation is the fact that it boosts tourism, which can help solve people's loneliness and increases the willingness of people to visit other countries, which again boosts people's economy and helps human society develop as a whole. And thus, this is why my teammate and I have chosen to develop a project on translation. My teammate will now be displaying how our project works. Thank you.
Hello. Welcome to our language translator. Which language do you want? We have Arabic, Chinese, French, German, Spanish, Turkish. Which phrase do you want to translate?
Always wear your mask.
Portez toujours votre masque. Thank you for using our language translator. We hope you have a great day.
We hope you liked our project. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Just tell me what you want.